Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. My name is Mr. Dancy Pants here for the Dapper Mental Gen, and today we are bringing you another unboxing and review video. Today's unboxing is from SprezzaBox. SprezzaBox is a subscription service that sends you every month a box of ties, accessories, socks, personal hygiene products, things like this that will help you finish the look. Now, before we get started on this, I'd like to take the opportunity to say if you'd like to support the channel, go down, leave a like on the video, subscribe if you haven't already subscribed, and make sure you hit the notification bell too. That way you'll be notified every time we upload new content, and it'll let me know that this is the kind of content that you enjoy. Be sure to also leave a comment down below, either saying you liked the video or you didn't like the video, if you have a question. If you like ice cream, what's your favorite flavor? So with no further ado, let's open the box.
And gentlemen, one of the many things that give you that tip-top feeling is the pleasure of being well-dressed.
So there we have it. February's SprezzaBox, at least my February's SprezzaBox. So let's go ahead and crack this open. Haven't even taken the shrink wrap off. Only got this a couple days ago, and I was waiting to open it up to share it with you guys. One of my favorite things about these kinds of subscription services is that I sign up for it and they send me an email letting me know kind of what's coming. And once I make my choice, I usually forget about it. So this is like having a Christmas present come in the mail or a birthday present come in the mail every month. So let's see what we've got here. All right. So this is very frequently sort of the combination that we get. We'll get ties, socks, and some kind of knick-knack. So here we've got a red and blue plaid tie. This has a subtle sheen to it. Sorry, this is crinkly. Let's get that out of here. I don't know if you can see that. It's got that beautiful sheen to it. I love ties where the design on it changes its accent depending on how the light is hitting it. So I absolutely dig this. It's a red, white, and blue combo, but it doesn't feel like overtly 4th of July-ish, simply because the red and the blue are so dark. And it's got a classic plaid look to it without looking like you just ripped it off of a Scotsman's waist. So this is fantastic. I love this tie. This is a nice looking tie. We've of course got socks to match. One does want to accessorize. So these are some actually really comfy feeling socks. I'm absolutely going to be wearing these today when I go into work. As soon as I can get the tabs on them broken. There we go. Gotta be careful. Last thing you want to do is just like rip big chunks of your socks to pieces. Trying to be able to put them on. So these are nice. These are a good solid color. One of the things I like about some of these grays is that you've got two types of gray. You've got your blue grays and your yellow grays. I've always looked better in blue grays, and so this is really good gray for me. We have here a Briar billfold, just a little credit card holder, not even really so much a billfold, just more of a credit card holder. So this will be really good to kind of take with you in emergencies when you're not going to be carrying cash and you need something that is slim and fits well in a pocket. We've got the Fresh E-Tech wooden phone holder, little phone cradle right there. This is nice. This is a good, smooth wood. It's been laser engraved with the logo for Fresh E-Tech right there. And then finally, we have a non-alcoholic eau de parfum from English Laundry called London. Let's pop this open. Oop. Pop this open without taking the top off. There we go. let me see what this... Oh, that smells... Okay, that smells really good. I definitely know what I'm wearing today. I want to wear these socks, this tie, and this scent. So there we have it. That is my February. Well, that does it for today's unboxing, ladies and gentlemen. The February box from SprezzaBox is fantastic. I highly recommend checking it out. You can purchase that box or other boxes that have either been released this month or from previous months. They've got a lot of wonderful stuff on there, so I highly recommend taking a look at it either for yourself or as a gift for somebody that you think might be interested. So for the Dapper Mental Gen, my name is Mr. Dancy Pants, and you have a good and safe day.
I mean the kind of music men hum or whistle when they feel on top of the world. And gentlemen, one of the many things that give you that tip-top feeling is the pleasure of being well-dressed.